Yo, they say I'm flooded like a tap. They say I'm on the run and I ain't even commenting on that. But if I'm running, I'm still running up them racks. In this game full of lies, I'm the one who does the facts. I give her 10 racks.
What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We're here in Dubai, it's about 40 degrees outside, absolutely insane. And in this video we're gonna do a few fun things. We have a nice car, we're gonna go do a few activities, but the main important part of this video is I'm gonna break down and show you guys some videos that we made for our clients that reached insane amounts of views and insane amounts of followers. One of the videos actually had 8.8 million views and gained over 20,000 followers in less than 48 hours, all organically. Another result that we're gonna go over is how we scaled someone from 0 to 50k followers in less than 7 weeks, all organically, by implementing the right strategy. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I'm gonna do way more value and less of the random, uninteresting stuff because I want to provide more value and I want to show you guys what it is that we do for our clients and how it can benefit you and your personal brand as well. So we're currently on our way to the jet skiing. It's about a 20-minute drive, depending on this traffic light and the Dubai traffic. As some of you guys may know, Dubai traffic is crazy, but I wanted to share some more value about how we treat our clients differently from a lot of competitors of mine within the space, right? Because everyone that's doing organic marketing or social media in general is just copying every single thing from other people and thinking it will work for that specific client, but that's not true. Because each and every individual has their own unique story. A story that you can utilize inside the content that you can create so that people can resonate with who you are as an individual. Don't try to be the next Andrew Tate. Don't try to be the next Onua brothers. Don't try to be the next Daniel Dalen. Try to be the most authentic version of yourself and share the stories and the things that you have been through. For example, within our onboarding process, we have a very in-depth type form that has about 34 questions, I think, that basically asks you everything about your life, and we want to know everything about your life because then we can create a brand strategy that is about you and that will position yourself as a unique key player within the market that you're currently in. Instead of just copying from competitors, we really want to position yourself as someone completely unique, and that is also what works. Why does this work? Is because people can resonate with the things that you have been through. It doesn't matter if it's family related, it doesn't matter if it's business related, girlfriend related, friendship related, or whatever the case may be. Everyone has their own unique story that you can share online and that you can add value to, that people can resonate with. And the more people that can resonate with you, the more people that will buy your product or service. So that's one big key factor how I and my company differentiate ourselves from other competitors within the market is we really want to focus on your story, your values, and the ideal client person that you have, so we can create the best content out there possible with your story to attract that ideal client profile and convert them into a sale. So that being said, don't try to be someone else. Don't try to be the next Andrew Tate or any of these guys. Try to find out what are your key moments within your life, what are the key things that you have gone through that you can utilize in order to get as many viewers and followers as possible and eventually convert them into a sale for your product or service. That being said, we're going to be on our way for about 20 minutes now. Maybe I'll share some more value. We'll see, but I'm very excited for jet skiing. It's a nice Saturday in Dubai. It's about 40 degrees. I love this place. I also love Amsterdam, but Dubai is just different, man. The weather is different, the cars are different, the people is different. I just love it in general. I'll see you guys at the jet skiing, or maybe before, and talk soon.
I just need money and vibes, don't need none of that toxic shit. My social battery gone, I gotta stay out the mix. I'm tryna be so rich, I put that out in lit. Call you and say where you at, already know what time it is.
Alright guys, we just got back from jet skiing. Honestly, shout out to the guys who do this professionally. The waves were super high. Maybe you guys see it on the videos. But there's one thing I tried to explain at the Atlantis de Palm hotel, is a misconception that a lot of people have when creating a personal brand within the info space is you have to get the craziest car and like a Lambo or the craziest hotels, or you have to fly private jets. And don't get me wrong, yes, it helps because it builds a lot of credibility, but it's not what's gonna make people buy from you. The reason why people want to buy from you is because they resonate with you. And you do that by telling your story, by sharing your knowledge, by showing the things that you have done before, showing your results, showing the results that you can get for other people. And that's truly how you can get a lot of clients within the info space. Even for me, if you go to my page, I posted a ton of lifestyle videos and the conversion was terrible, especially because I target B2B. And then I switched it over to just sharing the knowledge that I have, sharing the information that I have, and showing the results that I can get for other people. And that's how I got my business to 7x in literally 4 months time. I went from 10K per month to 70K per month. Those numbers are not really important because you within your coaching business can even grow way further than that B2C, right? All you have to do is share your knowledge, share the results that you can get for other people, and that's how you will get more and more clients over time. So don't get it twisted, lifestyle is fun, it helps, but it's not the main thing that makes people want to buy from you. You need to share your story online. That being said, we're gonna get some food right now, then probably do a pit stop at the house to change, shower maybe, and then we're gonna go to the desert, get some nice shots of the car, and then some dinner too. So it's gonna be a fun day so far. We got a little bit of sunburn, but it's all right. 40 degrees, no sunscreen, should be fine. We will not die, hopefully. But yeah, so far great day. I really enjoy the jet skis too, man. Like, if you go to Dubai, you can get a nice car, you can go to the craziest hotels, but to me the jet ski is the most fun that you can do. So guys, we are on our way back home, getting a nice cold shower in soon. But as promised at the beginning of this video, I'm gonna show you guys a couple of videos that got insane results, right? We have this one video that gained over 20,000 followers and 8.8 million views, all organically. And the video is the one that you will see on the screen right now. And the reason why I did this so well, it's actually this video as well, is because we tell a personal story by using lifestyle videos and images, right? So in this video, you can clearly see the storyline of Ruben and the situation he had with his parents, the life that he has lived when he was younger, and also how he got out of it. And then it cuts to insane high quality lifestyle videos, right? So yes, the lifestyle videos help again, but the most important part why this went so viral is the emotion that we create within the video, the pain that we trigger when people are watching this video, and also the sound that we use. That's why this video had 8.8 million views and gained over 20,000 followers, all organically. And that is the power when you understand how to do good storytelling and when you have the right clips in order to tell a story online. So as you can see, it starts with his dad. He had to go back to Nigeria, then about him being raised by his mother. He didn't see his father for 6 years, and then he was able to come to London once to see us, but left really soon, and then he worked his ass off to become successful. 10 years later, they flew him out from Nigeria and they showed him the cars that they got and the lifestyle that they had created for themselves. And that just triggers so much emotion within the viewers, and that's why this video got insane amounts of views and followers, guys. So if you are very good at storytelling, or if you have a great story and you share it online, that can be the results that you can get for your clients or for yourself on your personal brand. So start focusing on your story and your unique key points that you have in order to leverage that and get more followers. Then the straight acting boy on Instagram and on TikTok is the second client that we scaled to insane numbers in a matter of 7 weeks. As you can see on the screen here, 23,500 followers on Instagram in less than 7 weeks, and more than 25,000 followers on TikTok in less than 7 weeks, all the way from zero. And the reason why this works so well is because Johnny, in this case, is sharing a very unique story, something new. He's trying to build a community for masculine guys that are into other guys as well. It's something unique, it's something that resonates with him, it's something that is his personal story, and that's why it works so well. He's not trying to be someone else, he's trying to spread a message that he truly believes in, and that's why people resonate with it so much, and that's why he grew so many followers in such a short period of time. And it goes to show that the story is more important. He doesn't post a lot of lifestyle videos. The best performing videos on his account are videos where he is speaking to the viewers, where he's speaking to his audience, and when he's sharing a story that truly resonates with him, and he actually shares his emotion and his thoughts in it as well. Of course, we used insane hooks like I hate the LGBTQ, or I'm not into the LGBTQ XYZ, and that's triggering for people that are. But then the story that comes after is so personal and so close to him and who he is as a person, and people can feel that within the video. By utilizing those topics and by utilizing his personal story and adding the right music to the videos is how we get the insane results on this account. And that's also why you can see so many viral videos on his page and why he grew so fast, right? So that is the second thing I wanted to show you guys, one of our insane results as well. Besides Ruben, of course, with that one single video. We're gonna break down more videos later in this video, but right now we're just gonna go back home, get the shower in, and then I'll speak to you guys shortly. What's up, guys? We're on our way to the desert right now. We're gonna share some more value at the desert as well, get some nice shots of the car. Also, it should be beautiful with the sunset. I've been there before, but it's a 30-minute drive still, so hopefully we're gonna be on time because the sun is already going down pretty fast. But yeah, I think this video so far has been pretty valuable. I'm trying to share a lot of very deep insights, and also like my psychology behind the videos that we create, the videos that we make go viral, and how we actually think about those videos and the strategies that we have behind our clients that gets them the results that we get them. So unlike just a normal day in the life where you show a bunch of cool stuff, I try to combine it with some more value. I think it's a pretty entertaining format to watch. If not, just let me know in the comments. But yeah, I will share some more value at the desert. I'm gonna review 2 more clients that we had absolutely insane results with in the first 30 days, or like 1 video and 1 full client. And then once we get at the desert, we'll do some nice car shots as well. So we'll see you guys there.
If I could do it, then why can't you? Get up and make it work. Ain't no way that I'm sitting around. It's now or never, I'm picking a first. You can't tell me that I won't make it. Knew that I had this gift since birth.
One of our other clients as well, who had 3.5 million views on the first video we created for him, Sachin Govender, or aka Win with Sachin on Instagram. You can look at his profile. He turned off the views, or actually we turned off the views, so you can't really see how many views the videos got. But I have a screenshot here as well, 1.6 million views. And this was within like 2 weeks since we started together. Now it's been 4 weeks and we're at, I think, overall 4 to 5 million views in the last 30 days. Also, insane high quality audience. Let me go to it. About 12% is from the United States, and that's what we want, guys. We don't want people coming to our page from third world countries. We want people that are high intended to buy, right? The people that have the money, the people that are willing to invest, usually from the USA, United Kingdom, or Europe. You want to focus on attracting the right people to your page and not just people from third world countries, because that's what happens a lot when you post lifestyle videos and when you only post lifestyle videos. So on his page, you can actually see that we don't even post any lifestyle videos. All we do is post shareable information and valuable information about the niche that he is in. He has almost 1 million followers now. We're about 8K away from the 1 million followers. I think we'll hit it pretty soon. And yeah, overall page looks clean. Editing style is simple and clear, and the audio that's being chosen on the videos is also super simple, meaning the context of the video won't be taken away by all the editing and all the crazy stuff, but it's people that can listen to the message that he is saying within the video. Then the last account that we have, youpmws.econ, and the results were actually insane. Some of the videos do get a lot of hate, but it also gets the exposure. And within the first 2 weeks of starting this account completely from zero, and by solely posting niche down micro video content about e-commerce, is how we got over $20,000 in sales in the first 2 weeks after starting this page completely from zero. And that is the power of focusing on a niche and going niche down on a very specific topic that you are the expert in. What's up, guys? We are at Golf. As you can see, we're gonna play some golf. And if you are wondering all these nice images online, where are they coming from? You need to have a Fujifilm. If you think, oh, let me buy this camera and just make pictures, it's not gonna work like that. You need yourself a Mano, or aka a very good cameraman who understands this camera and know how to work with it. And then the other thing I wanted to tell you guys as well is, within Instagram stories, we can get our conversions, right? So you post the reels, you tell your story, that's how we get the views and the followers. But with Instagram stories, that's where the conversion happens, right? You want to make story sequences, and I know this is something that people tell online over and over again, but it works insanely well. And if you want to put the whole strategy on steroids, you can simply run a profile funnel, meaning you run your reels or ads to your Instagram profile, which will get you high qualified followers onto your page that will watch your story, and they will come into your DM, and that's where you can get the close. This is something I've implemented for myself as well, and I'm getting as low as a $2 cost per qualified follower. So not just per follower, that's even way lower, but cost per qualified follower for me right now is $2, meaning every $2 I spend, I get a high quality follower to my page that I can either DM, or they see my story, they come into my DMs. Super valuable strategy. I really want you guys to implement this, and maybe the next video on my channel will be exactly how I run my profile ads, the stats that I have, and also the videos that I post, because the videos that I post are not just, hey, this is my service, follow me. It's completely different, and I will show it to you in the next video. That being said, let's play some golf. I'll see you guys soon. Okay guys, we are at Top Golf. As you can see, I'm doing pretty well, but I'm gonna show you how to make a real shot, right? So we got the ball ready. That's how you do a real shot. Come on! Did we get any points? No, we didn't get any points. Oh, maybe. No, and we need to a bit more power so we can get the highest points. I will show you now. Even daar staan, denk ik.
Ja, met de
warm out there. Ja. Ja? Oh, ja. Ik word gescamd. It was going in, but they say it didn't go in. I got scammed by Topgolf. I want my money back. One more time. Okay, now we're getting max points. We should get max points. I'm pretty confident. Oh, I know. Almost max points. We have one more try. No, two more. Okay, I will practice a bit more. 0 points this round. I hope the mic can hear me. Next round we'll do better. We'll get some points, but the power is there. We're still number one. One more ball. I don't know, man. 0 points this round. This is not the winning glove. Thomas won the game. I shouldn't have talked too much. I should have locked in on my game and my form. That's how I actually get the points. This time I didn't get the points. It's all fine. End of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I shared enough information and valuable information that you can implement into your personal brand. If you are in the info space, or if you are an agency owner or a business owner in general, you want to scale your personal brand, simply shoot me a message on Instagram. If you're doing anywhere between 10 to 15 to 20k per month all organically, I can help you get that to higher numbers and bigger numbers. That being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one, where I will dive deeper into my ads manager, where I run my profile ads and show you everything that I do to get high quality followers. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.